Good morning, good evening, good afternoon, whatever time of the day it is, welcome. Here's a quick little video clip on how to insert a table in Google Docs. So here I am and I need to insert a data table. So I'm just going to hit enter 2 times and then I'm going to insert my data table, and now I got to do some thinking. Data tables have headings, so however many trials you have, you're going to always add one more because you have headings. So right here, so these are the columns and these are the rows. So I only have one trial because I'm just doing a survey. So I'm just going to ask the number of students who said yes. So I have one trial, which means I'm going to need 2 rows. Right? And then I have to think of how many options I have. I have 3 options in my survey, so I need one more to label those options. So I need 4. So it's going to be a 2 by 4. And then I can fill it in. So this is going to be my number of students who responded yes, right? Or I guess who chose this option, right? And then my 3 options were, my question was, which fast food chain is your favorite? McDonald's, In-N-Out, or Jack in the Box, right? And so here's my data table. Just going to dress it up and make it look nice. It's a formatting thing. Right, always bring this in so that it's lined up with your margin here, right? And then these, right, so one line is always nicest if you can make it fit with the options. So this looks like it might actually fit, right? Here we go. So that looks pretty nice. Of course, it's always nice if text is centered on the headings. You want to keep this aligned to the left though. Okay, and there you go. Now your data table is ready. And so while you're collecting data, you're gonna you can't put in a number. You're not going to memorize. So you use tick marks while you go. Or in my case, I'm just going to put X's. So, let's say I go ask my classmates, I'll go around and ask, and then each time they give me a response, I'll put an X in that box. So let's say I ask the first kid, and he says, oh, I like In-N-Out best. Okay. And the next kid, yeah, In-N-Out too. And, oh, well, I like Jack in the Box. And the next kid says McDonald's, and then I get another McDonald's, and another In-N-Out, and another In-N-Out. I get a Jack in the Box, and a Jack in the Box, and the next kid's McDonald's, so on and so forth. Right? So I just put in check boxes and as I ask people and they give me their answers, right? And so then when I'm done, then I go back and I count them and I put in my numbers. So right, this is 1, 2, 3, 4. So then I'd erase these and put in 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, right? Here we got 6 and here we got 4, right? And then I leave it like that and move on to the next step of making my chart. But that is another video. So if you need help with that, go and look through the playlist for a video clip on how to insert charts. But hopefully I did a good job here explaining data tables. Oh, I always like to get rid of extra spaces so it looks nice and centered. Hopefully I did a good job explaining it here. If you need any help, send me a message through Schoology and I'll get back to you as quick as I can. All right then, take care now. Bye-bye.